Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be sharing my Zobo juice recipe with you. I hope you love this recipe. Please like and subscribe. I'm using Zobo leaf made from hibiscus plant, pineapple, some oranges. I also have some ginger paste and cinnamon stick. I'll start by prepping my fruits. I'll be peeling my washed pineapple. Ensure yours is thoroughly washed because you'll be needing the skin as well for this recipe. Once you're done peeling your pineapple, transfer the peel of your pineapple into a bowl and set it aside. Go ahead to cut your pineapple into smaller sizes to fit into your blender or your juicer. Go ahead to peel your oranges. For easy peeling, I'm cutting it into 4 equal parts, and I won't be using the skin of my oranges because of its acidic content. In a clean pot, going with your pineapple skin, a great source of vitamin C and fiber, followed by your Zobo leaves. After that, you're going with your cinnamon stick and your ginger pastes. Once that is done, cover your pot with enough water. Ensure the water covers all your ingredients. Stir a little, cover and leave to cook. While your Zobo is cooking, you'll want to juice your fruits, that's your pineapple and orange fruits. To do this, I'm using my slow juicer. You can use any juicer that you have. If you don't even have a juicer, you can just chop your veggies into smaller sizes, pour them into your blender, add some water, blend till smooth, sieve it out and use the juice. Zobo drink is made from the roselle species of hibiscus plant. Is quite popular in Nigeria, yet a lot of people do not know how healthy it is. It is packed with a lot of health benefits. For ladies, it is known to relieve menstrual pain. It also manages blood pressure, it lowers cholesterol, and it protects the liver. Once your juice is ready, transfer into a bowl or a jug and set aside. Now the Zobo drink is almost ready. It was cooked for about 30 minutes until it came to a proper boil. You want to take it off the heat and go ahead to separate the pulp from the juice. I'm doing this using my spoon. I'm just scooping the pulp out of the pot and putting it into my strainer. I'll further use the spoon to just press it down so I'm able to take out all the juice from the pulp. After that, I'll pour the content of the pot into the bowl through the strainer to further get all the juices out of it. It's now time to sweeten our juice. I'm using the dead paste. I'm going to put a link on the description box, so click on the link to see how to make dead paste at home. I'm using my spatula to just press it down to ensure everything is dissolved. Once that is done, go in with your orange and pineapple juice. Give it a good stir so that everything incorporates, and go ahead to taste, to confirm the taste. And mine is giving. I'm done. I'll just be transferring it into this container because it's quite cute. You can transfer it into any container of your choice. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about this recipe in the comments section. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. See you in the next video. Goodbye.